How's it going? Phil Linhart, J-Tech. This week we're doing a pre-trip, or just a pre-inspection of the scissor lift. And first off, we're going to start doing just a basic inspection of our tires, rubber tires. General overview before we get into anything. Our actual motors that can drive it, our steering cylinder and the linkages. Make sure the cylinders are not leaking. These are not excessively loose. These lines are not leaking, broken. Let's see. Check our battery. There we go. Checking our connections, make sure there's no corrosion, any kind of leaks. We're gonna check our fluid level. We're not gonna do that right now. And then same thing on the other side. It's got 2 more batteries. Same check. Check the lines for corrosion, any kind of leaking fluid level, etc. We're just going to do a structural test of our handrails. Seem pretty solid, no broken welds. Our chain to keep us in, good. Then we got our ground controls, Major Tom. Up there we control it from the platform. The neutral no control, it's off. Down here is where we control it from down here. Pull our E-stop out. We're gonna raise it. Some things to note when you raised it, that the bottom supports popped out. The other support, we check our limit switch, mag switch, so that when it comes all the way down, it'll shut off electrically. We check our scissors for any kind of damage. The pins are all installed. They're not bent, not dented. Our actual lift cylinder for any kind of leaking, any kind of damage. Our motor down here, general inspection of lines, make sure there's no leaks, damages. Our tracks, make sure they're nice and smooth. There's not going to be any kind of big jolts. These aren't damaged, they'll slide nicely. And then our manual descent cable, the T-handle here, it's going to pull down this. You see we have a problem there. It is not lowering. So we'll lower it. Going to switch the controls to the platform itself. And when we get up, inspect our ladder, make sure the rungs are not going to let loose. And when we get on 3 points of contact, strap on for safety. Another inspection of handrails. And then up here, E-stop out. We have power. We have switches. This switch is left. We can control up and down, right, forward and back movement. We're going to test up and down. So that works. Steering check, no leaks. Actual has full steering. Pour a little bit. We're done at E-stop, and that'll do it for a basic pre-inspection check of the scissor lift. I'm Philip Lanehart. Thanks for watching.